Hi! In front of me is Fairphone for 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and selecting Connected Devices. Following that, click on Pair New Device and wait for available ones to show. When they do, tap on the one that you wish to connect to. Now tap on Pair and wait for the second device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. In order to disconnect them, click on this gear right next to connected device and click on Forget next to connect. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!